So I will. My schooling from here, from college of GSM.
Okay.
Then after I went to Delhi University and pursued mathematics from student.
Okay.
And post that I came back for pursuing my masters. I done MSc in mathematics.
Okay, great.
And after completing my education, I gave the bank exam, which I was selected, and I was working as a probation officer. First, after that,
Okay.
for some reason, and then I job and I bachelor's in education.
Okay.
My bachelor's in education, and after that, I studied with the
Okay. So how many attempt of civil service exam you have given? And for UPSC? Okay. You have written one means. And what were your optionals? Anthropology. Okay. Asha, since you have a vast experience, okay, tell me, what are your views regarding the Uniform Civil Code which have just passed, the Uttarakhand government? Okay, what are your views regarding the UCC? Mhm.
it was a model application and asked after this, the benefits of this system that first of all, it is and it is like a all of different caste and backgrounds, irrespective of the religion.
Okay.
So I think that it is a positive. But I would also say that the LGBT community has been an exception. They have not been made a part of the UCC. So I think there's some improvement.
Okay. Don't you think that Uttarakhand, there is no as such a big major population of minorities, especially the Muslims, and then the purpose of UCC, it's totally a political one.
If a law that has been by the government is definitely even one person, it is worth the move. And we are probably Muslim population, they make up 11% of the population of Uttarakhand, and I think that is a significant number.
Okay, that's good, very good. Acha, tell me, now I'm asking a political question, a polity from the Indian polity. The state government has passed the law. Okay. So ideally, the governor should has approved the things. Why the UCC bill has gone to the president?
I know about some provisions in the constitution that says that in certain exceptional circumstances,
What are those exceptional circumstances?
international, not sure, but the circumstances.
बेटा concurrent list जब बनता है तो प्रेसिडेंट ही अप्रूव देता है. अगर उस लॉ को सेंटर के ऊपर रखना है तो प्रेसिडेंट ही अप्रूव देगा. रिमाइंड दिस. ओके ओके ठीक है. ओके. अच्छा, टेल मी, what is Nazul land? Mhm. Mhm. नहीं, the concept of Nazul land कहाँ से इमर्ज हुआ?
Then Britishers came, and the Britishers, after getting battles with these princes, they took over the land. Later on, after we got independence, our Indian government took these land from the Britishers. But sadly, since the princes did not have any property records, they did not have any proof of showing that they took these lands. So ultimately, they would move.
Okay. What are the functions of Amin and Kanungo? No. No. Okay. ग्रामीण बैंक का कॉन्सेप्ट क्या था? इतने सारे बैंक थे तो ग्रामीण बैंक क्यों आए?
The concept was that the people who are in the rural areas, they should be benefited. And since they have very different needs, so candidates should be specialized according to their needs. For example, if we talk about remittances, if we talk about small household incomes and savings. So the aim was to bring the rural people in the ambit of the banking services and provide financial inclusion. And since banking industry, part of the banking industry is profit oriented, so there, if the RRBs were not made, so there was a chance that private sector bank may not venture out into the rural areas because the branches would not be very much profitable. So that's why we consider RRBs.
Currently, my last question. Okay, then I will transfer the question to sir. Since you were associated with the bank, what was the famous? Can you elaborate somewhat the famous bank nationalization case? Case. Nationalization of bank case. 1970. Rustam Kawasji versus Union of India. Okay. No. RC. Okay, sir.
कनिका आजकल जो उत्तराखंड में कुछ ऐसा इन्वायरमेंट से संबंधित कुछ मूवमेंट चल रहा है इन रिसेंट देहरादून समथिंग यू आर बिलोंग फ्रॉम देहरादून ना देहरादून समथिंग कुछ इन्वायरमेंट से रिलेटेड कुछ मूवमेंट चल रहा है क्या हाँ कौन करंटली कौन सा चल रहा है अभी रिसेंट अभी अभी 2 दिन पहले न्यूज में है चलो कोई नहीं अब मैं बता देता हूँ आपको खलंगा है खलंगा में लगभग 2000 पेड़ का कटने की बात आ रही है डिफॉरेस्टेशन बात आ रही है ये आपको पता था हाँ चलो मैं आपको बता देता हूँ गवर्नमेंट ने पेड़ काटे वहाँ और बेसिकली गवर्नमेंट का मोटिव ये था कि वहाँ पर हम वाटर कंजर्वेशन के लिए बनाएंगे कुछ प्रोजेक्ट बनाएंगे तो मैं आपसे ये जानना चाह रहा हूँ कि इसका अल्टरनेटिव क्या होगा आप किसको प्रायोरिटी देते हैं एनवायरनमेंट और डेवलपमेंट पहले प्रायोरिटी किसको दे रहे हैं एनवायरनमेंट या डेवलपमेंट और सेकंड माय क्वेश्चन इज कि इसका अल्टरनेटिव क्या होगा
So, see, firstly, I would say that I can't prioritize one. Both things have to go hand in hand. That is why we came up with the concept of sustainable development. So, with reference to your question, so you said that they are doing deforestation, but on the other hand, they are making water conservation. So, water conservation also comes in the arena of environment conservation itself. So, sir, I don't think so that it is harming in some way. It is like we are focusing on one particular, we are diverting from trees and we are focusing on water, and both are elements of environment. But if we talk about the alternative, sir, alternative would be that there are various forest conservation schemes, for example, compensatory afforestation management. So, sir, out of the 100% allocation that comes to there, 90% is received by the state government. So, we can utilize those funds, and alternatively, we can find some other land where trees can be planted on behalf of this.
इन कंटेक्स्ट ऑफ उत्तराखंड के बारे में जानना चाह रहा हूँ कि उत्तराखंड में क्या किया जा सकता है पर्टिकुलरली इन उत्तराखंड फॉरेस्ट कंजर्वेशन भी हो जाए साथ साथ में हमारा जो ग्राउंड टेबल है वो भी ठीक रहे तो उत्तराखंड के कंटेक्स्ट में कि क्योंकि हमारी जो बायोडाइवर्सिटी है उसको संरक्षित करना बहुत जरूरी है तो उत्तराखंड के कंटेक्स्ट में जानना चाह रहा हूँ जैसे आपने चाल खाल सुना होगा समथिंग लाइक चाल खाल ओके कोई नहीं माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज कमला देवी के बारे में कुछ आप जानते होंगे जी जागर
आप उत्तराखंड के हैं या you belong to other state?
Sir, I am born in Washington.
दोनों को जाना
No, sir, I've been reading about Uttarakhand in the last 15-20 days. I don't know how these terms are missing. In fact, various institutes